Grand Master Prabodh Achyutha is a meditation teacher for the last 20 plus years. He has the gift of lucid dreaming and astral travel. He is called the God of Dreams. Hundreds of people got practical Atma Sakshatkara experience in his workshops. He can get into ultimate bliss, that's Brahmananda state, by will. He saw his several past lives as husband, father, scientist, king, Tibetan monk, guru, etc. He conducted many workshops about meditation, lucid dreaming, astral travel, abundance and prosperity. He experimented on himself without sleeping for 18 plus years. Yes, 18 plus years. He conducts signature Gudakesha workshops spanning 14 nights. It opens the doorway of human consciousness to gain sleep mastery and thoughtlessness. He trains several competitive exam aspirants to reduce their sleep time requirements. He conducted workshops in several places of India, England, Wales, United States of America and Thailand. He is also a martial arts black belt taekwondo master. He did 35 hours of continuous meditation in one sitting. He did continuous 522 hours of meditation with only natural breaks.
Sleep is time waste when you know the meditation. That's what I would say. They're meditating for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, but they say that still I have not mastered the mind. Many people are like that. Here, Gudakesha is an absolute solution for that. The enjoying all the night sleep is called Gudakesha.